Thanks. Okay, we are keeping everybody on note, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so basically, let's start with this dhyanam and dhyan. So dhyanam itself says it is something related to dhyan. Dhyan, it's not a new word. It's a high frequency word. We are using it very frequently. You must have noticed. It's like ध्यान रखो अपना और ध्यान से काम किया करो. तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है? So these are very normal terms which we use. What does it mean? ध्यान is basically focus. ध्यान रखो अपना मतलब आप जो भी कर रहे हो अपना ख्याल रखो ध्यान से, फोकस करके, ध्यान से काम करो, यानी पूरा फोकस आपका अपने काम करने में होना चाहिए. That is all about ध्यान. So in the same way, what is happening with us? We have lost all dhyans from our life. Why is it so? You remember when we were a kid? So हमको पढ़ाया जाता था brain. Brain is connected with our nervous system, and all brain is giving commands through all nerves to our body. Right? Everybody is aware about it. कहीं ना कहीं सबको पता है कि दिमाग ही हमको कंट्रोल करता है. But you know what? There is one term also which we used, or you must have heard about it. Brain is our boss. So कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में ये है कि brain is our boss. तो जब दिमाग ही आपका बॉस है या brain is controlling you. As राजीव ने अभी मुझसे पूछा कि whenever I sitting for meditation, I feel that lots of thoughts are coming in front of me. So उल्टा ही हो जाता है. ध्यान करना तो इसलिए शुरू किया था कि मन शांत होगा, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, but उल्टा ही होता है. You start feeling more restless. You start feeling कि नहीं हो पाएगा. You have to get up. So why it is happening? Because you understood, you realized, and your brain is also knows that brain is the boss, but that is not the reality. You are the boss. So you should learn how to control your, boss. कैसे control करना है उसको. I'll give you a few examples. I'll just try to connect with our day-to-day life. Then it would be easier to understand. Whenever you get up, first thing in the day, आप उठते हो and you will start thinking what would be the next. So you have to go to work, आपको log in करना है, पता नहीं कितने सारे pending काम पड़े हैं, खाना बनाना है, and there are lots of things. So it start coming in front of you, which you needs to get it done in coming few hours. And you keep thinking in this way only for upcoming time. But whenever you are having your lunch or your dinner, after that you start feeling little drowsy, or you can say lazy, lethargic. You feel like now it's a time I need to rest for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Anybody can help me with this? ऐसा क्यों होता होगा? ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जो ब्रेन है, जो पूरे दिन सुबह से आपको इसमें ऑक्यूपाइड करके रखे हुए था कि आपको क्या करना है, आपके फ्यूचर में आपको लेके जा रहा था, अभी उसके पास कोई और काम नहीं है, उसको पूरा फोकस डाइजेशन पे करना है. ठीक है, अगर आप थोड़ी देर रेस्ट करते हो तो आफ्टर 10 minutes ओनली यू विल फील अगेन दैट एनर्जी. You will feel like now you can perform work better, more effectively and more efficiently. इसीलिए जो लोगों को नींद का प्रॉब्लम होता है, इंसोम्निया होता है, उनको नींद आराम से नहीं आती, वो लोग स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स इनका शिकार होने लगते हैं और उनका डाइजेशन भी इम्पैक्ट होता है. अभी जो पहले का टाइम था, तो ये जो वर्ड्स मैंने अभी आपसे बोले ना, पहले होते ही नहीं थे. These are very new words और इनको शहर के बीमारियां भी बोला जाता है कि मोस्टली जो बड़े शहर है ना, वहां पे ये सब बीमारियां होती है, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी. आप खुद अपना टाइम ही याद करके देखो. व्हेन यू वर किड, तब आप में से कोई भी बोलता था कि मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस है? बट आज शायद हम सब बोलते हैं. तो जिस चीज के बारे में हमारे ब्रेन को पता ही नहीं होता, वो काम नहीं करता है. और आज क्या हो रहा है? बिकॉज वी ऑल आर सेइंग दिस थिंग, everybody is saying that I am in stress, so your brain is taking you in stress, and whenever you are sitting for meditation, that time your brain is not allowing you to, sit quietly, because that is the nature of your brain. Brain is always creates thoughts. Brain will tell you now go in your past and go in your future. So if you have no control on your thoughts, if you have no control on anything, then why to worry about it? Leave it. Start ignoring for some time. Rajiv asked me that how to ignore. Everybody's saying just ignore or drashta ban jao and start watching. So, but it's not possible. It's possible because you just need to be more aware. So I'm not saying that you stop thinking. I'm not saying that start ignoring your thoughts. I'm saying that you should understand that what food you need to give to your brain. थोड़ा सा food change karte the. Now you are giving like stress, depression, anxiety, worry. Whenever any negative thoughts comes in your mind, then your brain start creating so many thoughts about it. It happens. If one negative thoughts come in front of you, then your mind create lots of negative thoughts one after each other. And it will take you to the state of anxiety. Right? So we should know how to control it. So this is the basic phenomena of brain, basic nature of our brain. And we just need to understand what your brain should eat every day. And brain will not allow you to do it very easily, because the power of attorney will go. Na, then abhi to wo boss hai, then you will become the boss. But that is the reality. God has given us brain, then we can use it for ourselves. And our brain start feeling that now your brain start using your body for himself. Okay, so एक छोटा सा example देती हूँ. I will as we all are connected with joining hands, so you must have heard about guided meditation. We use guided meditation, we use music, we use chanting for meditation. So whenever you are in that traumatic state, you feel that you have lost all control on your thoughts, and I don't know, whenever you're coming from work, you say that I am feeling very stressful, the day was very stressful, very tiring. So that in that word you have introduced to your kid as well, who was not aware about it. So now you have introduced. So now after some time, when you will ask to your kid something, so that your kid will get you back, but no, I am very stressed today, so stay away with me for some time. Or that thing would be complicated for him as well in elder days of his life. Right? Abhi we all are aware with various kind of energies. जो हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं, like you have to be positive, you think positive, then only if you start thinking positive, then सब कुछ positive होगा. We always say, but how to keep yourself positive? I'll give you a very small example. If you have chilies in your hand and someone is expecting that you will give sweets to that person, is it possible for you? You have chilies. Would you be able to give sweets? No, because you have chilies only. So you have to give chilies only. Now, what is happening? That person gave you few sweets and asked you, now give me some sweets. Then you would be able to give it. So in the same way, whatever you are creating inside you, just to change your thoughts a bit, then only you start giving to others the same thing. So positive, if you are creating, then positivity you are giving. And if you have negativity, then you would be able to give negativity only. It is absolutely we are implementing in day-to-day life. So basically, need to understand dhyan is no need to learn anything about dhyan. Once we understood what the dhyan is, and once we start, implementing very small techniques. So I will give you 1 minute technique. So in 1 minute, how you can meditate, how you can control your thoughts. So once you start implementing these small techniques, you will feel the wonder change in your life. Okay, so let's try one technique first, then we will talk further. All of you are ready for that? One second, I want to see all of you. So if possible, just keep your videos on, then I can see and understand better that you are able to do it or not. All right. Okay. What we need to do, what you feel, what in our body, what is the most important thing which always keeps you in your present? Anybody?
Breath.
Your breath, absolutely. Your breath is always keeps you in present. It will never take you to your past or future. Your thought will take you Switzerland or I don't know, even hell as well in few seconds only. Right? So now we will very closely, I will tell you how to watch your breath. And after watching your breath, you need to keep one pen and paper in your hand. And what you have to do, you just need to, I'll tell you how to do it. You just need to watch your breath and start marking on paper. So it's like you have to make small lines on the paper that how many thoughts you are creating. So if you have create one thought, that make one line, 2, 3, 4, jitna bhi hota hai, you just start creating the lines. So for that, you all sit comfortable wherever you are. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Now, we just need to start watching our breath. Everybody is aware that how the breath enters our body. Your breath starts from your nostrils. So you might feel slight movement in your nostril. Then you will feel the same movement in your nose, your throat, your chest, and your lungs, then your diaphragm. Just feel it as closely you can watch and feel that how the breath is going down and how it is coming outside. And wherever you are feeling the movement, you just be aware. You have no need to give any tag or you are enjoying, you are liking or nothing. You just need to watch it and start marking on the paper. So take a deep breath. Start watching your breath. It's entering your body from your nostrils, your nose, throat, your chest, lungs, your diaphragm, lungs, chest, throat, and nostrils. I will be quiet. Just need to keep watching for 1 minute and keep making mark on the paper. Let's get started. All right, open your eyes. I want to know if anybody wants to share that how many thoughts one by one.
I had two thoughts. One was triangle, 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 and second was triangle mithai.
Okay, so you have created two thoughts. Okay, anybody else?
When I started breathing, there was just a little thought And then you said breathe in, nostrils, nose, throat. I didn't get any thought after that.
Okay.
Even after, yeah.
Okay. Okay. And anybody else? I'll take
don't
two,
have
At least 5-7 thoughts.
5-7 thoughts. Who said?
Rajiv.
Rajiv. Yeah, okay, Rajiv. Okay. Yes, Vilma.
I was continuously thinking. I couldn't stop thinking.
Okay. So have you make mark on the paper that how many?
Yeah, but when I was trying to think of how many thoughts, like I was getting like 5 thoughts at one time. It was the number of thoughts was so fast. I couldn't really put the marking on the paper. When I was trying to think these many thoughts, then again other thoughts were coming.
So you were flowing with your thoughts. I asked you to do something. I asked you to watch your breath.
I
So
was watching my breath, and at the background there was still some thoughts going on when I was watching my breath also.
One more
Like I was
time.
thinking, oh, this is like that exercise that I did that time, and all that was going on at the background.
So you need to take your consciousness again one more time. And this time what we will do it with 1 minute with open eyes and 1 minute with closed eyes. It is very much possible. We will do it all together. So for that, all close your eyes. First, we will do with closed eyes. I will be quiet. Let's get started. Now open your eyes and start watching in front of you, whatever it is. And consciousness would be with your breath. Come back. Yes, I want to hear from Rajiv first.
Hello.
Rajiv,
Yes.
how many?
When with closed eyes, it was lesser than before.
Okay.
Maybe 2 thoughts. The thoughts were, how is one supposed to observe your breath? मन को कहाँ पे रखें, क्या चीज देखें, that stuff. But when done with open eyes, it was tough to kind of conceive कि yes, देखें towards the screen and still be observant of your breath. So it was slightly tough, but I would say it was better than with eyes closed.
Okay, no problem. No problem. It will come with practice, but it is very much possible. And it's very much, it's beautiful feeling when in front of TV, you can keep, watch your breath.
I mean, yes, I would absolutely love that. I truly desire it.
Yeah, you would be able to do it.
Thank you.
Yes, Vilma.
Hi.
You have to unmute yourself, dear.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, yes.
See, when I... Hello?
Yes, yes.
1 second.
Yes, tell me, I can hear you.
Yeah. See, when I first...
Sorry. There was some noise. Vilma, you just unmute yourself first. Then Nirmala, you can.
Yeah, so basically my mind was still throwing instructions. Like when I was closing my eyes, I was focusing on my breath. So my mind was telling me, okay, you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do. Even when I opened my eyes, I was like, should I look here? Should I look there? Like the thoughts were not stopping. And I somewhere have kind of an ADHD brain. So my thoughts are, even when I'm doing meditation, I'm like, am I doing it right? Am I not doing it right? Should I be doing it this way? Oh, now I'm doing it right. Even when I feel I'm doing it right, I get that, oh, I'm doing it right. So that thought comes. And then sometimes when I have 0 thoughts for like 1 millisecond, I get the thought that, oh, now there are no thoughts coming. That is also a thought. So
Okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. My only purpose is, and are you able to see a bit of change in your last session, last point, and this time?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So that means you can change it with more practice. Yes, Nirmala, please. Nirmala ji, you have to unmute yourself, please.
Yeah, first time when you told to close the eyes and start breathing, so immediately there was a lot of disturbance from my neighbor. The child started screaming and the parents and all shouting at them. So I couldn't concentrate on that. And second time, so when you asked me to close, I was expecting the other same thing. It might appear again because it was going on. So I couldn't concentrate on anything like what you are saying. See, always there will be a disturbance whenever I close the eyes. So that I want to get some practice how to avoid that and get into inner self.
Okay, okay. So I got
any technique you have to control like that means, because I should be
yes.
unaware of that.
Yes,
So even
yes.
though if it is going on, I should concentrate on the meditation.
So thank you so much, Nirmala ji. I got one more point. So whatever techniques we have used as of now, this technique will help you to keep your away with all type of disturbances. Like what? Like my work is what? Wherever you are, if you are watching TV, if somebody is watching TV, you are waiting for interview, you are waiting for meeting, you are sitting like you are standing on traffic signal, so you are working in your kitchen, you are washing your clothes, anywhere, anytime you can meditate. As she said that there were lots of noise from outside. Okay, she was not able to concentrate because she was thinking about whatever is happening outside. You just need to be aware with your breath, who is continuously working for you. We are not even thinking about our body. Have you ever thought that, like, yes, now this is the time I need to breathe in, breathe out? Anybody thinks about it? Do you feel that we need to be like more cautious than when your heart should pump, heart should work? No, we are not even bothered. So we just need to be more aware with the same body, which will keep you in your present. It's very, very easy, and just take it, small piece. If I'll tell you that start watching your entire body, that it would be haywire for you. So you just take your consciousness with a small part, small organ of the body. If I'll tell you, now you just try, everybody. Close your eyes. And take a deep breath. And start watching your heartbeat. Try to take your consciousness on your heart. Very easily, you would be able to feel it as something is moving in center of your chest. I will be quiet. Be aware with your heart. Lovely. Come back. Able to do it? Show me thumbs up or thumbs down. It would be easy for me to understand. Yes. Okay. All right.
It was complete silence. I couldn't hear anything. It was complete silence.
Okay. Could you feel some movement in your chest, where the heart is located?
No, it was complete silence.
But there were no thoughts. So we are working on thoughts actually. So there were no thoughts. Thoughts were there or not?
No, there were no thoughts.
So now we understand.
I was struggling to find out voice or something, but there was no voice.
Okay, so now understand. Again, you gave me a very beautiful point. You were struggling to find, right? So your brain was busy in finding your heartbeat. How to create thought then? Your brain is free, right? This is what we need to learn. Understand, we have, conditioning of our brain is not correct. We just need to condition it properly, and you will feel lots of difference in few days only if you start practicing it regularly. And somebody said, Wilma said that she is having an issue of ADHD. So these days, doctors are also playing a very important role in this. Like if we have lost control on our, brain, our thoughts, so we start feeling, and actually we got introduced with many diseases. It's ADHD is also a sign of it. And whenever you are, and you keep thinking about this, hey, see, I don't have a control on my brain. I don't have a control on my brain. I am not able to stop thinking, and I am just I am getting introduced, I am getting panic attacks, or you start thinking the same thing again and again and again. Now you're going to visit your doctor. Your doctor put a stamp on it. Yes, you have this problem. Go for this test and this test, and you will get to know that you have these problems. And that all the time, the doctor will give you medicine, and you will be fully focused. This now I am suffering with this disease. That's why I am not able to concentrate. That's why I am not able to focus. That's why I am not able to control my thoughts. ओके सो जितना ज्यादा ब्रेन को मिलता जा रहा है ना नेगेटिव, ब्रेन की कंडीशनिंग वैसी ही होती जा रही है. Now somebody said to you that yes, you are suffering with these problems, you have lost your control, and you should go and you start meditating. You have discussed something, what is meditation. Jaisa yahan pe everybody is aware that what the meditation is. You have some idea about meditation. Then you go to internet, you start surfing what is meditation, and once you just enter meditation, you will get lots of database, so many videos, so many audios, so many guided meditation. Nobody is telling you how to do it. Everybody is just telling in front of you. Guided meditation will help you to take in trance. Guided meditation will help you to relax your body. So these meditation are good if you want to sleep, but that is not the real meditation. Meditation means that you will have a control on yourself. I always say in my all sessions that you are the master of your body. You are the master of your soul, nobody else. So you need to recite it every time, every day. That yes, I am the master of my body. That how anybody can else control my body or control my life? How can my brain control my life? I will decide when to think and when not to think. तो जैसा मैंने बोला कि टीवी के सामने बैठ के भी आप ध्यान कर सकते हो. It is very much practical. Whenever you are sitting in front of TV, some corona is going on. You don't want to take that negativity. So just sit and start with open eyes. You can, you can staring at one point and just start observing your breath. टीवी चलता रहेगा, आपका पूरा ध्यान ब्रेथ पे होगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि सामने क्या चल रहा था. It would be little, funny if somebody will ask कि क्या हुआ, then you would not able to answer what is going on in TV. But yes, you would have full control on your thoughts, and you would not need to take that negativity which you don't want to take from that negative news which is going on television. Okay, till now, anybody is having any question? Then I will introduce one more technique.
Aparna ji, only one problem. When I start to become aware of my breath, more or less at times I start to manufacture the breath. So what happens is कि वो instead of being a watcher, I become a doer कि हाँ बस सांस ले रहे हैं, सांस अंदर गई, सांस बाहर गई. Again some thought comes and I tag along and फिर कहीं और पहुंच जाते हैं. Yes, Rajiv, because you are not familiar with the real pattern of your breath.
So this is the first time you have just understood that yes, I need to watch it, and this is the way, this is the basically the track where the breath goes. So that's why you are thinking that you are creating. That is absolutely fine, but your focus is on your breath only, na? If it is created or it is in real. But after few
It is.
days of practice,
Okay.
after few days of practice, you will realize how your breath is moving. I will give you one more technique right
Right.
now only.
Thank
You will
you.
get some idea, like little more clear idea. So understand, the breath is not two breath. One is breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so we feel there are two breath, but in real, that's not two breath. It is one breath only, which is going in and coming out. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to watch your breath one more time and try to understand how it is coming out. So you might feel some shapes. How shapes? Like if it is going in, then you would be able to see a straight line, then it's coming out. So you might feel some point and it's coming out. And so you will feel some, triangle kind of shape, or you might see something else. So just try to observe what you are seeing. It can be anything. You just share whatever you are seeing. Any doubt? Karna kya hai? You need to
Please repeat.
watch your rhythm. You need to watch the pattern of your breath.
Okay.
So you just need to keep your eye on your breath. It is going in and it's coming out. Try to understand, is it two breaths or one breath is only coming out? Or if it is coming out, then what shape is creating? It can be triangle, it can be curve, it can be, any other shape as well. So you just try to find on your own. I will not tell you all the shapes, otherwise it would be, you will create some picture in your mind. So, all right. Again, be comfortable, close your eyes. And start watching your breath and just try to find out pattern, rhythm of your breath. We'll do it for 1 minute. I will be quiet. Let's do it. All right, come back. Yes, so yes, Sonal.
Yeah, I could see a particular shape, like it's going from one side and coming back, the same thing coming back from other. So it is basically like this matka shape. I could figure that.
Awesome.
I said it is semicircle.
Yes.
It
Yeah,
is like
I would
it is
like
like
to
a
say,
one by one.
semicircle.
Semicircle. Okay, it's like a
Semicircle.
semicircle. Yes, yes. It's like a curve, right?
okay, now I am Nikita. May I say?
I curved.
Yes, I
Curved
understood, Kamakshi ji. I understood. It's a semicircle you have seen, na?
Okay. Yeah.
That means the same breath is going inside and it's coming out. So it's just moved
Yeah.
from there, it's coming out.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yes, next.
Yes, I would like to say that छड़ी बोलते हैं ना, जैसे कौ से आगे होती है, आगे से कौ में जाके अंदर सीधी जा रही है, फिर वो ही छड़ी पे ऊपर आके फिर वापस कौ से बाहर निकल रही है.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Okay.
I don't find any shape. As it goes, it comes out.
Oh, I'm talking to whom?
Nirmala.
निर्मला. Okay, निर्मला फिर से try करना होएगा.
Huh?
You try one more time, it will happen.
Okay.
You might be not able to not able to keep your consciousness there. That's why you are not able to find it. Could you feel your breath? Could you see your
Yes.
breath? You
Yes,
could
yes.
see.
I
Okay,
could feel the diaphragm, as you told, no nostrils, I mean tongue, this and all, chest, diaphragm and all. So the same thing is coming out. I could feel that same thing, diaphragm and reverse way.
Okay, same thing. That means in a straight line. If I'll give you shape, then 1 second. You have to unmute yourself. So sorry. There was somebody entered and I mute.
I didn't see any shapes or something. I couldn't observe it. I could see only the breathing, this one, breath.
No problem. No problem. How was the frequency of thoughts?
Yeah, now I could concentrate on my breath, even though there was some disturbances outside. So I could concentrate on my breath.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Yes. Kiran ji,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to say something?
No, I didn't see anything.
Okay. Could you see your breath?
See as in?
Like, are you able to keep your consciousness with your breath?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. How was the frequency of thoughts?
None.
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 Okay. We will try one more time. You would be able to understand. I'll just explain you one more time. Breath goes in and it's coming out.
Yes.
So there can be only two things.
Yes.
Either it's going in, then the other breath is coming out. Okay. So there must be some
Yes.
point. There must be some point, like breath is going from a nostril going till diaphragm. So there must be some end point in your diaphragm. And from the same point, it is coming out.
Yes.
So either it will come on same track or it will move
Yes.
like a curve, take a U-turn, and again it's coming back. Or you might feel like it's going and triangular shape, like the point would be same or it's coming back. So there must be something.
Yes.
Huh? So we will try one more time and I'm sure you would be able to see it. Anybody else wants to?
Yes, ma'am. In the very beginning, the triangle was same sides. All the sides were same. In the second process, there was an inverted triangle of the same space, same sides. And in this last third process, the triangle के दो side तो perfect है, लेकिन जो diaphragm तक जा रहा है वो उसका वो वाला side लंबा हो गया है और वहां से फिर से extend करके nose के
Okay, so you would be able to feel that point.
Yes.
From where the two breaths are coming, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Just one more time. Let's try it. Be comfortable. Close your eyes. Just try to watch your breath. Hold consciousness with it. Open your eyes. Yes.
I could not really see anything, but I could feel the breath going in and coming back, coming out, the breathing out from the nostril, like a U. But
U.
I could feel that, yeah, but not see anything.
Okay, but you could feel that movement.
Yeah, that I felt even before,
Okay.
even earlier, but I didn't see anything.
Okay, so there, see, all techniques doesn't work on everyone actually. So visualization can be difficult for everybody. So that's why you are not able to visualize it, but you can feel it. Now I will ask to all of you in 15 days, 15 minutes session, whatever we have practiced, how is the frequency of thoughts now? I want to see thumbs up or thumbs down. Could you see any changes in your thoughts? All of you? Okay. Balaji, no? Okay. Yes, for sure. Okay, great. So this is the way we should practice meditation. So such thing will keep you away from all bahanas, like there were disturbances. I always say there are few myths about meditation. Meditation is boundaryless. There is no rules, no regulations. You can do it lying on the bed. You can sit on the chair. You can sit on the floor. You can dancing. You can drawing. You can standing. You can meditate. Second, meditation is like, you have no need to think like what is going on. You only need some supervision whenever you are learning. Whenever you are not understanding what meditation it is, that time you need some supervision, that somebody can guide you that whatever you are doing, it's correct. Otherwise, you keep creating thoughts. Pata nahi main jo kar raha hu, is it correct or not? So it will create distractions for you. Then we need to understand whatever the disturbances for our meditation, we are going to use it as a tool. So if there is distraction outside of traffic or somebody else, so now I am keep our whole consciousness on that traffic noise, and we start meditating with that noise. Okay, meditation, somebody says like meditation makes you emotionless. So people are, whenever you are not able to do it or you don't want to do it, then you will create lots of bahanas. But as I said, it is absolutely boundaryless. कोई बहाना है ही नहीं, कभी भी कहीं भी हो सकता है. So yes, meditation initially, because there are phases. When you start doing it, then outer environment will stop you to do it. Reason I told you that brain don't want you to meditate. Whenever you are closing your eyes, you are sitting quiet, that your brain start creating lots of thoughts, which will not allow you to do it. Okay. Second, the second level, once you are through with that state, you have got full control on your thoughts, like when to control it, then you will come in second state, where we say that now you should start accepting everything, whatever it is. How every kid accept everything, whatever you are telling them, whatever you are showing them, they will accept it very naturally. Why we cannot? So we also need to do the same thing, because we have creating lots of expectations as per if anything is happening not related to your favorable conditions, or you are not liking that thing, that thing start impacting you or hurting you. और वो आप इतना डीप ले जाते हो कि आप उससे बाहर ही नहीं आ पाते, और that thing will take you to very like depressing states. Then you would not able to do it. So there are stages, there is time when you will feel that yes, meditation make you emotionless, but after that, once you will be through from this state, you will start feeling unconditional love is out busting from you, because you feel that what the real happiness is. You have accepted everything now. So once you have accepted everything, that means you have become happy. And if you are happy, then you have sweets and sweets in both your hands. And if you have sweets and sweets in both your hands, then you would be like throwing everywhere that sweets and that happiness. Right? So this is all is very much possible. Don't think any negative thought related to meditation. Meditation is possible with everyone. You just need to learn few small techniques and you can do it. And there are levels, जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, there are levels. Firstly, we start understanding with breath. Then we will start, controlling our emotions. Then we will go on energy work, जो energy work होता है, chakra and all. Then you can do it. Then later there are various stages which we need to work on. All right. So abhi we will take a break for 5 minutes. We will discuss whatever you have in your mind related to meditation. Then I will take you one very beautiful process or you will enjoy it. Anybody, you can unmute yourself and you can talk.
Purna ji, when you, this is Rajiv again.
Hanji.
So when you told about that shape thing, I was not very clear. I still am not very clear. The breath that you tell goes down to your diaphragm. Somehow I feel it in my navel. So I feel a rhythm to it. Yes, the rhythm is there. Nothing beyond that. So I really don't know the dynamics of the shape and all. But yes, that rhythm was there. And whenever I couldn't kind of connect to that shape thing that you said, but yes, I could sense the rhythm.
Okay. So Rajiv ji, I would love to tell you that I have not told you till now, but your navel is the point till our breath goes. And from there only breath comes back.
Yes.
Okay. So आप अगर उसको महसूस कर पा रहे थे, then that means you were doing absolutely right. You're not able to see, that is fine. We are to enrich, we are working on thoughts.
Right.
How was the frequency of thoughts in that minute?
The thought was quite reduced, and thankfully I was not wanting to open my eyes, but you asked us to open and share, so that was there.
So you have achieved now.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yes, Kavita ji.
Your sessions, as always, are really, really very nice. So thank you very much. Now, the first time when I did the breath, I saw it going in a circular shape, semicircular, and coming back. And the second time I saw it straight going down and coming up. So it can change, no?
It can change.
And which one is better?
No, there is no formula, as I said. No formula. जैसा दिख रहा है आपको, keep doing it every day. You will get to know which is working for you better, and what is the real pattern of your breath. Okay. All answer you will get inside. Whatever I will say, that would be my experience.
Right. Okay.
Right. So you have to experience yours.
So it can be better both ways, right?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Even there are few who can see it like two breaths. One is going and other one is coming out. Okay. But I realize there is only one breath which is moving. And I can feel that everybody is feeling the same. तो शायद यही ठीक होगा.
Yes.
है ना? So just find it. Okay. Any other questions?
No, I just wanted to ask you, Aparna.
Hanji.
Various stages, breath, then emotions, and then chakras and all. So, would you be taking any kind of a session or course where you can take us through all the stages?
Yes. So my workshops keep going on. I have 8 days proper course on meditation, in which, as I told you, I have introduced one small technique only. In that course, I will introduce 8 various techniques and I will make you practice with that. So that would be fully, guided session, not guided session, practically technical based, and that would not be guided, no vision, nothing. You just need to practice your technique. So there is one, and yes, chakra, and there are various courses also going on. so that we can do it 1 level, 2 level, and 3 level continuously. We can do it. I'll share number after ending of this session. I will share number to all of you. If you want to contact, then you can contact directly.
And the 4th and 5th levels, other levels higher than the chakra level?
There are levels that, see, I can guide you till 3 levels. After that, you will understood on your own that how to move forward. And then there would be a session of practice. So in that, you can move forward and you can keep experience and you can keep sharing your experiences and can discuss and take your guidance. So for that, we have a separate session.
A separate session.
For that, after completion of 3 levels.
Okay.
How you do contemplation?
Yes, Chintan, contemplation. See, contemplation and meditation. It is more of similar thing. Contemplation is you are start observing something continuously. So that is called Chintan and contemplation. So what I am, after some, if I'll give you one definition, so it's more of similar. Your focus, you are attentive and you are more conscious with something. It can be anything. So we are using these 2 words, contemplation or meditation, but the purpose and the way of doing it is absolutely same. It is a kriya, not doing anything, called contemplation and meditation.
Meditation is more thoughtless and contemplation is more focused on something.
Contemplation may you are aware that on which you are focusing.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, but in the same way, meditation, as I told you, that you need to focus on something initially. So you are focusing on your breath. So again, the same thing, no? It's contemplation only. You are focused with your breath. You are aware that you are contemplating with your breath.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
That's why I'm saying these are the terms which we are using, that the purpose and the destination of both the things is same.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now, anybody else? I'm sharing one small piece of music. And for that, you all have to get up and just start swinging with that music. Okay. So for that, you have to close your eyes and go with the music. Dance if you feel like, swing, move, whatever you want to do, you can do. Just enjoy the music, and it's a time, I always say it's a time of celebration. And then just tell me how your experiences after that 3-4 minutes. All of you are ready to do it? If anybody is having any issue, like you are not able to dance it, then you can sit on chair and you can feel it. But I would suggest, if possible, then stand and dance. Is it audible?
Yes, it's coming through.
Okay, thank you so much. Keep your eyes closed. Let your body body move as your body wants to be. Don't stop yourself. Keep singing with the music. Feel the every beat. Time to celebrate. Keep a smile on your face. Faster. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. And just sit wherever you are. Do not open your eyes. Keep that smile on your face which you have created. Enjoy the every beat which you have heard now. Just be quiet. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Be silent. Open your eyes. Come back. Settle down. How was the frequency of thoughts now? 0, it's gone.
Thoughtless.
See, So this
Awesome.
is, this was
Mind
all,
was vibrating.
yeah.
Vibration was there in the mind.
Yes, yes. You will feel the vibration in your whole body for some time. So this is again a form of meditation which you can do on your own without anybody's help. And the happiness which you have created, it is there inside you. You just need to start watching it from your inner eyes, and it will start reflecting on your face. I can see smile on everybody's face now. Okay. Okay, so overall, now you all can come with your questions, doubts, anything which you want to discuss. These 3 techniques I have shared with you, it can help you always. You can practice it regularly. Or if you want to learn more, then you can contact me. I have shared my number in chat box. Any question?
So what type of music you want us to do for these things? Like any
Any-
meditation music or any flute? Or
Any music, whatever you enjoy, you can play any music. Anything.
this is a musical meditation or what do you call it?
I call it Nataraj meditation because the techniques, there are 112 techniques of meditations, which is given by Lord Shiva to Parvati when she wanted to marry him, and that time she was preparing her for to get married with him. That time he has introduced 112 techniques to Devi Parvati. उसमें से एक ये थी. That's why I call it Nataraj meditation, because Lord Shiva को नटराज कहा जाता है जब वो डांस करते हैं तब.
No, this was like a mild one. Nataraj means it will be with drums and all, no? With a lot
Yeah. So we have done for like just 3 minutes. It was nothing.
This when you played it, I feel because I love Krishna, Lord Krishna. So I jumped to that feeling of it.
It's okay. It's okay. Even see, we have done very small process for 4 minutes only. Otherwise, this process of dancing only, it takes for around 1.5 hours in one stretch. Okay. So the time when you do for 1.5 hours, you would be able to connect with, it can be your ancestor, it can be your gurus, it can be your deities, or kuch bhi ho sakta hai. You will get to connect with many energies.
Okay.
So you were able to connect with Lord Krishna because you are connected with Lord Krishna already. That's why. Or there was flute, na? तो flute से भी कई बार Lord Krishna से connect हो जाते हैं.
Yeah, that's what. As soon as you played, so I directly connected with him.
So that's
recall any other.
fine. That's fine. Our purpose is just be thoughtless and enjoy. So that is the real meaning of life. We need to enjoy it. We have no need to live it just for the sake of living. We need to enjoy it every moment.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Okay. Any other?
Aparna, what about singing? What about people who are too old to dance? So can they sing and meditate?
They can sing and meditate. आपने सुना होगा, like example of Lord Krishna also. Lord Krishna used to, play flute. So that was the form of meditation. जो हमारे साहित्य म्यूजिक जो एक्चुअली जो लोग म्यूजिक सिंग गाना गाते हैं या फिर म्यूजिक प्ले इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्ले करते हैं, दैट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ मेडिटेशन फॉर देम. And if you're not able to dance, then I'll tell you, there is one technique you must have heard, like mandala. Mandala is a form of drawing, artwork, geometrical drawing it is. So that is a form of, again, it's a form of meditation, and it reflects whatever you are thinking. You can, like if you are working with someone, your thought reflects through that your artwork. There are various forms. You just need to find it. There are 112.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Anybody? No?
It was beautiful.
Aparna,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Aparna, I just wanted to just add something.
Yes, please.
I had attended your workshop on chakra balancing, and that was really, really beautiful. Amazing energies at 6 o'clock in the morning, and your pure energies really accentuated our meditation. So
Thank you
thank you
so
very,
much.
very much for it. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Please let
Kavita
us
ji.
know if you are having any other workshops.
Yeah, surely. Surely. Okay.
So other than 6 a.m., what time you have for the?
Okay, Nirmala ji, I have shared my number. You can take my number and we can discuss it individually, because I
Because
am not
morning
sure
time-
everybody would be interested in that or not.
No, morning times it's very difficult household work and
We
all.
have two batches, one in morning and one in evening, 7:30 and morning 6.
Evening I can. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is this? 2 batches?
See, we have two batches. One, like I keep it alternately. One I keep in morning, then another batch I keep in evening. So it's like you will have both the options, and there are very overseas people who want to do it in evening only because our evening is their morning. So that's why I have to keep it two batches.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I believe all our questions have been answered. Aparna, it's been such a beautiful talk today, along with the musical dancing. I think it's uplifted everyone's spirits, and the best part is everyone's thoughtless, I believe, can manage their breaths, which is such a fantastic thing. We can always relive this and embody this feeling on a daily basis. Dhyanam, since quite some time in the Indian history, has been suggested to be done every day. So thank you for introducing this to all of us and bringing us to this peaceful space, Aparna. Thank you for
Thank you so
talking to
much.
my and all the ones who joined and all the participants.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Hope to see you soon in some other talks or somewhere. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Everybody.
Bye.
See
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you so very much, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bless you. Bye.